everyone, my name is Evan and I'm a Master of Accounting student at Tarleton State University in Fort Worth, Texas. This is my first semester in the MAC program, and next year I plan to start studying for the CPA and to be CPA eligible by summer 2021. So I was super excited when I heard about the Gleim Campus Rep program. So they just sent me my marketing box a few days ago and I was going to go through some of the stuff they sent. And I went ahead and opened it ahead of time, just so y'all didn't have to watch me struggle with it and potentially cut myself with scissors. So I just skipped all that and laid it all out here for us to go over. So we'll go ahead and get started. They sent me these plastic cups, probably about 20 of them, that I can hand out whenever we're back on campus, set up at a career fair or in the hallway outside of class. They also sent some posters. It just talks about the different exams that they have, and it talks about the access until you pass guarantee. So I plan to hang these around campus and also maybe at my workplace. In our break room, we have an entire floor that's pretty much just accounting, and I have a lot of coworkers that are looking to sit for the CPA, so just getting the word out not only to students but also to your coworkers. So I'll probably do that. They also sent this pop socket, be audit you can be. So the accounting puns are super popular and I approve. They sent this Gleim exam prep mask. It is super soft, so you can't really have enough mask on you these days, so I'll probably be keeping this for myself. And then everyone's favorite, t-shirts. So they just keep the accounting puns going. Cost I said so. Original, Life of the Party. And then this one's really pretty. I saw this on the promotional videos. The Future CPA shirts. So super fun to give away. Also, they sent me a bunch of these really nice folders. So one thing about accountants is that we're very organized and we like things filed a certain way. So this will be really good to hand out to people just to help you stay neat and organized. And then they also sent these 2 books. So this is an audit one and then tax. And basically each of them just has a bunch of practice questions that you can go through, and it gives explanations for right answers and wrong answers. So it really helps you conceptually understand just what you're learning. So these books can be used for undergrad or graduate level courses. So these are each $50, so $100 value that you can give away to someone. So that's really cool. Then a bunch of pens, because you can't have enough of those. And then lastly, we'll go over some of the flyers that they sent. So they sent these 2 flyers for professors that you can hand out, just about the different resources offered to professors. And then a bunch of coupons and free stuff. So a 20% coupon for the premium EA review. So if you come across someone who's looking to take the EA exam, this will be a really good value for them. And then also a couple of flyers regarding a free CIA exam guide and free CPA exam guide. So the exam guides really just kind of give you an outline of the exams and the products that Gleim offers to help assist in passing those exams. So just getting everyone educated. They also have that for the CMA. And then we have another coupon for 20% off the CIA review. Also, there is flyers for the Online Accounting Career Center that Gleim just launched. So this is just to help get the word out about that. I know at this pivotal age where we know what we want to study, but we don't know exactly what we want to do, if we want to go public or private, tax or audit. So this is a really good resource just to help individuals learn from professionals and from counselors that'll help them decide the best path for them. And then lastly, I wanted to go over this flyer about dual certification. So Gleim actually has a program designed to help students pass the CPA and CMA exams. So they have this timeline. It talks about junior year year, senior year, and after graduation. And it just kind of logistically lays out when to take the exam, what part to take, when to study, and so on. So I know that sometimes with these exams, logistics and trying to plan a timeline can be really difficult. So this is just a really cool resource just to help with that process. And they also sent this shopping bag, over 1 million CPA exams passed using Gleim, so that's encouraging, right? And then this water bottle, super fun, insulated water bottle. So that's about everything. I'm super excited to get started passing out all of this stuff and networking with the other campus reps. And thank you all so much for watching.